Okay, I wanted to demonstrate how the Dyna-coupler works. What we have is the end of the cable here. This is the Dyna-coupler cable. We're going to plug that into the direct output of the transmitter. And what this cable attaches to is a injection device. This is an inductive clamp. What this does is it takes the voltage, the RF voltage coming from the transmitter, and converts it to an electric current. What we can do is we can clamp this onto any insulated cable, in this case a piece of Romex. We just clamp around it, and we simply turn the RF on. And we check our receiver, and we're transmitting. So we'll go down the line here a little bit, see if we're actually injecting. And we are. Good 50 feet. I got it on the low setting. The cable, got it on the null setting. Cable is right here.